What is up, YouTube? This your boy Magi, and we back again with another video. Except this video is not really gonna be a wheeling video. It's more what I would call just like a normal adventure video. I'm gonna go to this little other duck off spot that I know that I've been on my scooters before, and it wasn't fun on my scooters because it was off-roading, and I'm 100% sure this is the perfect bike to ride it there. Hope you guys liked my wheelie videos that I put out, man. They were pretty awesome. I really hope you guys liked those wheelie videos. I'm no expert wheelier. I'm not good at it at all, in fact. My best wheelies were with my feet down. Pretty much majority of my wheelies were with my feet down. But to honestly tell you the truth, I mastered that. As you can see, that is like not an issue for me whatsoever. What I haven't mastered yet is wheeling with my feet on the pegs, which I can do it, just not long enough for me to sit back and say like, yo, I can actually wheelie. I don't really care what people think, say, none of that. I just ride, man. And there's no such thing as a good rider or a bad rider. You're just either a rider or you're not a rider. Before we get to this spot, I guess I should hit a couple wheelies. Never wheelied this street ever. Hope you don't say nothing to me. Woo. You guys didn't notice? That was just the fucking police. But he really did not do anything to me. Nothing at all. Alright. But this is the area that I was looking for, guys. This is all abandoned, man. This used to be definitely a neighborhood. And not anymore. As you guys can see, it's the middle of nowhere. So this is a little cut spot that I found, man, over the summer. And it actually looks better now. A lot better now. Lot better than it did at first. Because at first it was like a lot of greenery. Everything's dead now, so I can see really good. Wheelies have gotten a lot better, man. This is crazy. I never knew any of this stuff existed. Never, ever. So this is definitely a pit bike adventure, man. Some very adventurous areas. Let's go see. Oh, awesome. I straight know this street very well.
Temptation. So bring your body close, I wanna feel the sensation all over my skin. I wanna feel sensation. Yeah. So bring your body close, I wanna feel the sensation. I wanna feel.
We're gonna go back to some off-roading. Definitely. Shit. I wonder how does this grass feel? Woo. Doesn't feel bad at all. It looks like cars and stuff sometimes come back here. Ooh. Cut through some more grass. There we go. It's like a bunch of different roads, man. Looks like there's a road here. Gonna take me. Where is this gonna take me? Just a circle. See, this is a prime example of what this used to be, man. It really used to be a school, like in a neighborhood. Like this was a cul-de-sac. This is literally somebody's cul-de-sac. And you know, of course, oh, a big hole in the ground. Of course, it's not anymore. That was a jump, the first jump I've ever made on anybody. Like, it wasn't big probably to you guys on camera, but big to me. Missouri. The neighborhood that I'm from is called Ferguson, Missouri. It's the area where you guys probably, some of you might know, some of you may not, but Michael Brown was a guy that got killed by the police for pretty much assaulting an owner at a store, like a convenience store. So the police was called on him, and he was murdered. And that was in my neighborhood, man. That was in Ferguson. But that's where I'm from. Right now, we're in Kinloch, Missouri, though. It's Sunday, fun day. As soon as I get a group going, this is our spot. Woo. Oh, okay, so this is where I came. I was getting ready to say, like, bro, I don't even know where the fuck I came from. But this is definitely where I came from. So, we're gonna work our way up out of this place because Lord knows where I am. Fucking broke my handbrake fucking drifting. So only bike life thing to do is remove this motherfucker now. There we go. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, right before your eyes, my fancy dancy handbrake setup. is officially not a handbrake setup anymore. It's a piece of shit. Alright. So when I removed my handbrake, it actually made my fucking foot brake better. My foot brake was kind of making me think I needed a new one. And really, it was definitely the handbrake. Oh shit, it's two of them this time. Time to go. Only thing option for me to do is to cut through the neighborhoods, which is definitely not cool, because this is a street and this is not street legal, and I do not want to get caught riding this thing by the police. Alright, so going definitely a way that I didn't mean to go, but we're gonna see what we can do. Riding through a different neighborhood to get back to my neighborhood, man. Gonna work our way back to the neighborhood, which is not gonna be easy, because the task, ladies and gentlemen, is avoid the cops. This is definitely a pit bike. I can convince them that this is a 50cc, but then the first thing they're gonna say is, okay, yeah, it's a 50cc dirt bike, pit bike, and they're gonna be really pissed off that I'm riding it. So keep it 100. We're just gonna thug this out, hood style. Let's just try to get the hell up out of here. And while we're on this, we could basically see if this bike can keep up with traffic. Definitely look like it can. So, ladies and gentlemen, a Honda XR70 can definitely keep up with traffic. Like, I'm going a good like 40. No lie. So you guys can really like know exactly how fast I'm going, but I'm convinced right now that I'm going a good 40, 45 miles an hour. Well, it was, you know, slowing down now. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm gonna stop my video here, man. If you guys like what you've been watching, like what you've seen, and you would like to see more, please hit that thumbs up, because I'm gonna have a lot more videos. I hope that this sound quality sounded better than my last video. My last video, it sucked again. It's constantly sucking, and I don't want it to suck anymore, ladies and gentlemen. I promise one of these videos is gonna have perfect sound, and once it does, we're gonna run with that and keep it going for a long time. I really wasn't focused on recording anything pretty much today. It just felt good outside, 50-something degrees, and I wanted to record something. So I recorded this, and I felt like I should share it with you guys, because I love you guys so much, and I appreciate you guys watching me all the time. So no matter what, man, stay blessed. Keep looking for my videos, man. Like this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.